Alrighty, so for 1 point perspective, we're going to start by setting up our paper with Lego landscape. So I'm going to make mine, I think I'm going to make the ground, I'm going to make the sky purple, because why not? And I'm going to make a line. I'm going to go around the middle of my page and draw my line, and I'm going to fill the sky with a color, and I'm going to fill the ground with a different color. Let's do the ground. I was trying to pick weird colors, not realistic ones. Let's go ahead and do the gradient for the ground. I'm putting the Now I'm going to switch to yellow. So I'm going to switch to squares, and I'm going to change to yellow. I'm going to do one square above my horizon line. Oh my goodness. There we go. I'm going to do one square at my horizon line. So right, I'm kind of straddling up the middle. And then I'm going to do one square below. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and I'm going to add my vanishing point. So the horizon line is the point where everything in 1 point perspective goes towards that. I need a vanishing point. Okay, so my vanishing point is now pink. I win. Okay. So I'm going to make each one of these squares connect to the vanishing point. On the top square and the bottom square, I need to connect 3 corners. So I'm going to connect the top left, the top right, the bottom right, and then this one I'll connect the bottom left, the bottom right, and the upper right, because this one, the line will be going behind, and these are not see-through squares. So I'm going to go ahead and, let's just make them red so you can see it really well, I hope. Yeah, black. Okay, I'm going to go lines, and I'm going to connect each corner. Now on the middle one, because it's on the horizon, I'm only going to connect these 2 corners because these ones would be going back behind it again, so we don't want that. So if I'm doing a cube in 1 point perspective that's above or below the horizon line, I'm going to see 3 sides, the front face, the bottom, and the side. If I'm doing a 1 point cube on the horizon, then I only see 2 faces, the one that's facing us and then the side. So I've got all my guidelines. The next thing I'm going to do is draw I'm going to draw the sides. And I'm going to go ahead and leave the guidelines on so you can see them, and I'm also going to draw the sides of my cubes. Okay, so yellow, I'm going to make this side. Don't worry too much over the colors for this. It's not the most important thing, but I just like challenging myself. Okay, and you can see how this line stays within those 2 guidelines. And here's the other thing about it, it's parallel, they're vertical. They're at the same angle. That's really important. Oh, yikes. Okay, I'm gonna add another one up here. That's one side. And then the bottom, I'm gonna do a darker value. Okay, and I'm in the same layer again. I could add another layer so that if I mess up, I can delete it easily and they won't conflict with each other. So I'm gonna start by. Okay, so this. It's not quite right. There we go. Okay, so this line needs to be parallel to the bottom and the top, so it should be straight across. And I know it's a little bit of a tricky angle to get, so if it takes a few tries, that's okay. Okay, so you can see how, this line, and this line are all parallel to each other. This line, and this line are all parallel to each other. Very important to have your lines parallel. And because it's not perfect, but I'm pretty satisfied with it, so I can merge the layers. So now I've got these 2 layers on, these 2 shapes on one layer. So the next one is going to be easy. We're going to do this side, and I'm going to use the same color as that one. I'm going to draw a line again, and I'm just going to stay within my guidelines and make sure that it's parallel to the front. Okay, so now I've got my 2 sides on this cube. And finally, I'm going to do my 2 sides on this guy. And let's see. So this is the underside, so it's dark. The right-hand side, I'm keeping the same color on each one, so I'll do the side, that gold, and then the top is going to be a lighter color because the light will be shining on it. So that's how you draw 3 cubes in 1 point perspective.